Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting prerequisites ready so pairing is quick and reliable. First, install and sign into the Connect app. The account links service data to your profile. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location services are on because the app uses BLE. Keep your phone within 1 to 2 meters of the AeroX V3. Turn the scooter to IGN or ACC as the manual directs. This wakes the module. Now open the app and choose Add Vehicle to start the pairing sequence. You now move through authentication and data synchronization steps. When the app asks, select AeroX V3 and request the pairing PIN. The scooter generates or displays a code. Enter it exactly. Press the scooter's pairing or multifunction button as prompted to let the BLE link establish. Allow any permissions the app requests, such as location and notifications, because they enable accurate status and alerts. Once connected, initiate the initial sync so odometer, trip history, and alerts populate in the app. You finish by confirming features and handling common failures. Test live status updates, remote lock/unlock, and last trip details to ensure the connection is stable. Make sure data refreshes within seconds. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth or reboot your phone and rerun the app's pairing flow. Small BLE glitches are often resolved this way. If problems persist, check the scooter battery and firmware level, and if needed, contact your dealer for module diagnostics. This avoids wasted time and ensures proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.